Okay, I just pulled this off of something the other day. Tried to cut it open, or I tried to dump it out, but it seemed as though there was nothing in there. So, Sanyo. This feels really thick. I mean, I still haven't broken through that yet. It's gonna take me forever. Wonder if I should be cutting up here above this. Usually you go below the weld, but this thing is like thick. Starting to leak a little bit. Getting close. Okay. I cut into the windings a little bit with that, and I could definitely confirm that that's copper. Which is what I thought would be the case based on how heavy it was. But this housing is really thick. So that's the other reason why it's heavy. Okay. Just little micro scrimping bits and pieces right there. That is, these are going to be brass. So what I do is I always like pinch right down by the bottom and then just twist it right off. And it's just a little piece of brass. If you don't want to bust the whole thing open. Yeah, break it open, there isn't really anything on the inside to retrieve, so getting those two little pieces is good. Boy, as I look at this though, there's no way for me to get this out of here. Not sure what to do. Unless I have to cut down here. Okay, that's steel. Yeah, there's no screws or anything. I don't know what these knobs are, but they're not screws. Yeah. Wow, nothing. Just a one little bit. Well, now look what decided to come pouring out of this thing. Look at that. That's BS. Well, I will say this, if you don't like getting greasy or oily or making a mess, you definitely don't want to do compressors, because these things do not disappoint. They are a nightmare. Oh, awesome. It just keeps leaking. That is really great. Very happy. Okay, so there's the bolts. Four bolts. Oh man. That's prepared steel right there. Man, I can't see how this thing's supposed to come out. What we have here is a failure to cooperate. Didn't cut through all the way. More prepared. Huh. What's going on? What the heck is this? That is prepared steel as well. Oh, look at that. Well, hot dog, that big chunk there is brass. So it's a greasy mess, but I'm gonna have to get it off of there. Man, is this thing, holy cow, what a mess. Okay. Okay. So there's really nothing in that thing. It's a solid piece. This will be all prepared. I just got to put it somewhere to keep it from getting grease all over my garage. So I was knocking this piece off of there so that that would be prepared. That's still steel though. What the heck? Okay, that's hot as heck, but you can see why I'm digging it off of there. Burning my glove.
Order in the court.
This goes in shred. Stupid things are insidious. Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap it up. Got through what I wanted to get through. Here's another piece of prepared. So I got my prepared bucket right there. I'm gonna put these clips away. Right there. And then the motor, I got the motor down here soaking. Get some of that grease off of there. I'll get that off at some point. I got this thing. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. Anyway, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Happy weekend. Go Lions. Actually, they don't even play this weekend because they got a bye week because they're first in the NFC. You know it. Oh, we got this little thing too. Got a couple things out of that, so that was good. I'm happy with it. Oh, and these two little pieces of brass. Not bad. Throw that in our brass bin. Have a great weekend, guys. Peace out. Thanks.